Creating one AI character is easy, but what if you want multiple characters interacting in the same scene? That's what we're going to do here. I'll show you how to create two characters, place them in the same environment, and make them interact without breaking consistency. First, we define each character separately. This keeps them consistent before we combine them. I'll create characters using these prompts. Marcus, friendly futuristic dad, mid-40s, salt and pepper hair, short beard, wearing dark gray futuristic tech jacket with glowing blue trim. Maya, young futuristic girl, about 10 years old, long brown hair, wearing light gray futuristic outfit with soft blue accents. First, we define each character separately. This keeps them consistent before we combine them. Most people try to generate both characters at once, and this is where things break. Faces change, clothing changes, nothing stays consistent. Instead, we keep each character clearly defined and then place them into the same scene. Start with the environment. Futuristic spaceship control room with glowing panels and holographic displays, cinematic lighting, ultra-detailed sci-fi environment, wide shot. I create a general image of both in the control room, then a closer image. Marcus interacting with Maya inside futuristic spaceship control room. Marcus turned slightly toward her. Maya looking up at him. Glowing holographic panels, cinematic lighting, medium close. All that's left is to bring them to life. I tried several models to create them talking to each other with a simple prompt. Man says in English, "Ready to learn how this works?" Looking down at little girl. Little girl says in English, "Yes, sounds like fun," looking up to the man. It took some time to figure this out. Some had no audio, some had audio in a different language. Google's VO 3.1 using start and end frames did the trick. Here is what I got.
Ready to learn how this works?
Yes, sounds like fun.
Ready to learn how this works?
Yes, sounds like fun.
Tao that pairing Gaudi caps of the Tao that pairing Gaudi caps of the
Hey, I ate it.
Tao that pairing Gaudi caps of the
I had to create this video 8 times till I got the results I wanted. This can use up a lot of credits. Make sure you ask your chat AI everything you want to do to avoid wasting credits. If you enjoy learning AI the simple way, consider subscribing. Next, I'll show you how to build full multi-character scenes like this into longer AI videos.